2022 Chevy Equinox shark fin removal. If you don't know what I mean by a shark fin, look on the roof. That's your antenna right there. Now this one here, someone has been in it. You can see the chip mark, somebody's been prying on it. So I want to pull it off and make sure that the it's not leaking water around, make sure the seal's still good. So first thing I need to do, I'm going to have to just pop these little black trim pieces off just a tiny bit. So I use the plastic trim tools on these things. It saves breaking stuff. But we'll get those off. So you just peel back the rubber like so. Now you don't have to do much with these. You just gotta pop. There's a clip right in here. You could get away with just taking that clip off. Where's my lights? I have lights here. Oh, there it goes. It popped off. So they can just leave it like that, both sides. So just pull the rubber back a bit with your trim tool. Now someone's been in here clearly. Yeah, so this clip has been dislodged, so I know someone's been in this car. All right, next step, we're gonna, well, we'll remove the dome light first. Well, so on this side, and it's on a friction clip too, so you have to get your tool up in there. Hopefully I'm not in your way. It can be in there a bit hard, so don't break the light. There it goes. Just a friction clip. We'll point that away from the camera so it's not in it. So then, take your tool again and run it along in here. Pull down on the cover a tiny bit. And I can tell someone's been in here because it's frayed already a little bit. So then with that undone, you can go up in here and there's two pressure fitted, like round clips there, plastic clips. So you can go in from here and get them right at the base of them. It's better, like that, than pulling on the outside. Because you can reach them through here with your trim tool. Don't have a trim tool, you could use a screwdriver or something, but I prefer a trim tool. There's less damage. Well, let's get another light up in here. All right, so we have that. So I'll pull you in and I'll show you where the shark fin plug is and the bolt. It's only one bolt. All right, so let's go in here. I got a light on it. Hopefully be able to see it. So this is this brownish yellow plug is the shark fin plug. So that connects it, and those wires that go up in there are wires for the shark fin. And right behind it, I can see, yeah, there's a bolt. That looks to be like a 10mm or something. So let me get a wrench and we'll pull that off. All right, so I'm going to use my 10mm, and that's what it is, 10mm short ratchet. You can use whatever you like that works for you. I find this is a tight area, so it seems to work all right, this one, so far. We'll get that out. And there's the shark fin. So it's held on with the one 10mm bolt, and then it has this basket retainer that goes up like that. So I'll put that in my pocket so I don't lose it. All right, so I have the shark fin started up out of the hole. And I'm gonna show you when I get it out. There's one more step you need to do before you can get that up through the roof. That's out of there. It's a bit of a struggle. If you had extra hands, someone to kind of hold up on the shark fin while you hit these, I'll show you what I'm talking about here. Don't forget to unplug the little yellow clip if you're taking it right off. There's the yellow clip that goes to the wire harness there. But what I wanted to show you was this plastic clip here. If you can see it or not, on each side there's these little push tabs. So you have to get these push tabs up through the lip of the roof here. It can be a bit challenging. I know I struggled a bit with it. But if I had an extra set of hands to hold this up, or put I don't know, a piece of cardboard or something, it would probably come up pretty easy. Anyway, that's how you get the shark fin off on these GMs. I'm just looking for steel. Someone clearly was trying to get it off, and you can see the damage to the roof that they did. This is what will happen if you try it this way without taking it apart. You'll damage your roof. So I'm going to take and it's pretty hard to. My arms won't reach all around. I was going to hammer and dolly that down a little bit, but anyway, before I put it back on, that's what I'll do. So to put it back on is just a reverse of what it was, like that. And that's clipped again already. So just put it back together. Same way you took it apart.